Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Without actually performing the long division. Actually performing means we will not divide numerator by denominator. The long division state whether the following rational number will have terminating. Terminating means if the factor of denominator 2 or 5 or can be both. Either then, if any prime number is coming, that means that is a non-terminating. Write it, decimal expression or terminating repeating decimal expressions. So here you are looking 10th part. So I am doing few part here, and other parts you can do at home. So 13 upon the factor of 3125. That can be divided by 5. 5 6 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 5. And then 5 125 ja 5, 25 ja 5, 5 ja 5, 1 ja. So that 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. You're looking here, only 5 is here. If here will be only 5 or only 2 or can be both, in that case that will be terminating decimal. If the other prime number is coming either than 2 or 5, then that will be non-terminating repeating decimal. So this is the terminating decimal. Terminating, we can write here only terminating, that terminating. Right? Now, similarly here we will do 29 upon 343. Right it? The factor of 343, the factor of 343 will be 3437. 7 4 ja 28, and then left is 7 9 ja 7 7 ja 7 1 ja, that is 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 is a prime number. Here you are not looking that 2 5 or both. It means that is a non-terminating. Non-terminating. Right it? Similarly here see that 6 upon 3 into 5. The factor of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. A 3 cancelled by 6 cancelled by 3. 2. So at last we are getting 2 upon 5. In the denominator you are looking only 5. So this is a terminating. Terminating. Write it. Again see that. Very important question this one. Terminating cases is there if the 2 or 5 or can be both, then that will be terminating. Either than of 2 and 5 it's coming, prime numbers coming, in that case that will be terminating. Right it? Now second question, write down the decimal expression of those rational number in question 1. It means this 10th part. Above which have terminating decimal, means those numbers are terminating, we will write in the decimal form. Write it. So that, see here 13 upon 1 2 3 4 5, 5 power 5 into, here also can be write 2 power 5 or 2 power 5, or you can divide also, but 13 you can't divide by 3125. It's not a easy work. So 13 into 2 to 4 to 8 to 16 to 32, that is 32, or that will be 1 2 3 4 5. If you will be multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that 5 to your 10, 5 to your 10, 5 to your 10, 5 to your 10, 5 to your 10. It means 5 times is coming 0. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then multiply these two. 13 to ya 26, 13 3 ya 39, 40 41, or you can check this like this. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 1 2 ja 1 3 ja 6, 11 4. Write it. Now 3 4 5. Now 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write before the decimal 5. 1 2 3 digit we are looking here, and 2 0 we will write here. That is the answer. And then fifth question, fifth part. This is a non-terminating, so no need to solve this thing. This question, 6 upon 3 into 5. Similarly, we will cancel this. 2 ja, that is a 2 upon 5. So here we will write 2. It means we are converting in a like this 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this. Or you can divide also directly. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So that will be 0.4. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 3. The following real number have decimal expression as given below. These three parts. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. Rational or not. If we are able to write in P upon Q, that means rational. If we are not able to write in the form of P upon Q, it means that is not rational number. If they are rational and of the form P upon Q, if we are able to write this thing in P upon Q, that means rational. What can you say about the prime factor of Q? So 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this can be write in the form of like this: 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then on the place of this just write the 1, and then after how many digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have written in the P upon Q form, so that is rational. So this is the rational. Write it. And what can you say about the prime factor of Q? So prime factor of this number will be only 2 and 5. So prime factor of that prime factors of denominator is 2 and 5, right? Now second part, it means you are looking 1 2 0 1 2 0 0. It means here has come only one time, or here two times. 1 2 0 0 0. It means every time in increasing 1 0. So we can't write this thing in P upon Q, so that is not rational number. Not rational number. Write it. Next, third part, 4 3 decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You know that very well. You have studied in 9th class that how to convert this in P upon Q form. So let x is equal to 4 3 decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then both side multiply by after decimal how many digits? 9 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X is equal to 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. By the subtraction that will become 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. X is equal to, that will become see that we can subtract here 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9, subtract 43, 9 less 3 6, 8 less 4 4, and then same will become, okay, 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6. So x is equal to 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 6 upon 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so that is a rational number, right? Rational. And what we can say about denominator? It means q. So prime factors of q, or you can write here denominator or q other than 2 or 5. Write it. It means in the factor of denominator there will be not come 2 or 5, right?